Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Outlook. So firstly, open any web browser, then type Grammarly. Now click on login if you have already account, and if you don't have account, so create your account by clicking don't have an account, and you can create and sign up free Grammarly account using your Facebook, Google or Apple ID. So after creating your account, sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple account or Apple ID. Then click on continue. Now in here click on apps. Now click on Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Then click on install. Once downloaded, double click on it. Now click on get started. Select both box like Grammarly for Word and Grammarly for Outlook, and only you want to add Grammarly for Outlook, so select this option. Then click on install. Now click on finish. So this is friends, like this you can add Grammarly to Outlook. Now restart your PC and open your Outlook, so you will be able to see out Grammarly in Outlook. So as we can see, Grammarly icon is in Outlook. And that's it. So hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.